Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor assembly harvest for Ice-O-matic part #1051210-01B. Motor assembly harvest for Ice-O-matic part #1051210-01B is a replacement part for Ice-O-matic ice machines. This motor assembly is responsible for powering the ice machine's harvest cycle, which is the process of harvesting ice from the evaporator. The motor assembly includes a motor, capacitor, and fan blade. The motor is responsible for turning the fan blade, which in turn circulates air over the evaporator to cool it down and allow ice to form. The capacitor helps regulate the power going to the motor and helps protect it from damage due to voltage. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement motor assembly for an Ice-O-matic ice machine. It is used to replace a faulty or worn-out motor assembly and can help to fix symptoms such as the machine not producing ice, the machine making loud noises, or the machine not turning on. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the ice machine. 2. Remove the front panel of the ice machine and locate the motor assembly. 3. Disconnect any wires connected to the motor assembly and remove it from the ice machine. 4. Take the new motor assembly and connect any wires that were disconnected from the old motor assembly. 5. Securely mount the new motor assembly in place using screws or bolts as necessary. 6. Turn on the power to the ice machine and test that it is working properly by running a cycle of ice production. 7. If everything is war, you can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.